Hey, how you doing? Pat Shehan here with Toyota of Dallas. I just wanted to send you a quick video on the vehicle you had inquired about, showing you that it is actually here on my lot. It's right here behind me. This is the 2018 Tundra SR5 TSS Off-Road 4x4. Magnetic gray with a blackout package. Of course, it's got your tow package, spray-in bed liner. Show you the interior real quick. Plenty of space in the back seats. Of course, it has Bluetooth, backup camera, all the safety features and amenities. Navigation. I do believe this vehicle to be exactly what you're looking for. Thank you so much for your inquiry. Please give me a call as soon as you get the opportunity. My number is 469-422-3149. I hope to hear from you soon. You have a great day.